Okay, so hello everyone. Again, namaste to all of you. Yes, everyone, please come. Sit down on your mat. So everyone, take the mat, take the pillow with you, and again, if you have block or strap, just take it with you together, both things. Okay. So this is the practice class of advanced asana, but the same we will go step by step. We will don't go very fast. Okay. Okay, so everyone just sit in any comfortable pose first. किसी भी comfortable pose में आप बैठ जाइए. You can sit in half lotus. You can sit in sukhasana. Yes. Just relax your shoulder. Keep your back straight. You can make a chin mudra. Put your wrist onto the knee. Keep smiling face. Sneha, this one note down. This one little upside. Yes. Open fingers. Yes. Keep your eyes closed. अपनी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए सभी. Just connect yourself. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulder. Relax your face muscle. Relax your whole body. Concentrate on your breathing. Take inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now Om chanting 3 times. Take inhale. Inhale. One more time, inhale. Both palm together, rub your palm, make a hit. Now, place your both palm on your eyes, relax your mind, relax your eyes. Gently open your eyes and look up at your palm. Both hands down, inhale and exhale. Yeah, so now we'll start with the warm-up. Little bit hands up and down. Everyone can listen now. Can you listen? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Okay. Okay, now everyone just put your both hands to the side. So first start with the warm-up, hands up and down. Take inhale. Hands up, look up, straight hand, straight your back. Exhale, then look down. Inhale. Raise your both hands up, look up. Exhale, then look down. Now, both hands up, inhale. Exhale, then look up. Just stay here. Take normal breathing. 5, stomach in. 4, 3, keep breathing. 2, and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale, then look down. Now, both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up, straight head. Inhale. Exhale, then look up. Lift your shoulder up. 5. Breathing. 4. Shoulder back. 3, 2, and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale, then relax your hand. So today also we are doing the warm-up practice. So everyone remember yesterday in the teaching methodology, we do the 10 minutes of yoga. So see how it combines, like the same thing I will repeat also. So you also need to remember in the 10 minutes of warm-up, what type of things we are doing. So first hands up and down, then finger lock, and after that, come back here. So now put your both hands onto the knee. Now we go for the next touches. Take inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Now look front. Take inhale. Exhale, turn your neck to the right side. Come back, inhale. Exhale to the left side. Come back, inhale. One more time. Exhale to the right. So here you can do it 2 times, 3 times. Come back, inhale. And exhale to the left side. Very good. Now, come back, inhale and exhale. So this time, right hand up, you can hold your head here. Take inhale, exhale. Drop neck to the right shoulder. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale, then relax hand. Now, left hand up, inhale. Exhale on to the left shoulder. Very gently press it. Don't give pressure. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back, inhale and exhale. Okay. So now the third. Next one is rotating. You can rotate your neck very slow. Take all the concentration, awareness in your neck. Do it slow as much you can. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Yes. Now just relax your neck. Inhale, exhale. Okay. So after neck rotation, I told you yesterday also, hands front, you can do this one. Because sometimes if you are doing the hand balancing pose or something, we use our hand strength. So here you need to make it more stronger. Here. Good. So we do the warm-up for avoid from the injury, or we can open our joints. After this, rotation. Slow, 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 slow rotation. So the most of balancing pose, we use the wrist, we use the hand, we use the arm. So we performing, so we not feel very heaviness, and we can avoid from the injury. Opposite side. Okay. Okay, wrist is done. After that, shoulder. So shoulder you can do normal here, okay? Normal rotation. Slow, slow, just normal rotation. Keep your back straight. Make it like circle with both hands. Yes. Opposite side, opposite rotation. Very nice. This time, all fingers to the shoulder, elbow close, and rotation. Just rotate your shoulder. You see all the things we will repeat in each time warm up. Only we can choose some exercise. What type of things we will do? What type of things we will teach? Sometime you can change also. Okay. So now this time, what is next? You can do side bend, side bending. So for the side bending, you can do normal finger lock, inhale, kamar sidhi back straight, exhale to the right side, look up. Come back, inhale, exhale to the left side, come back, inhale, one more time, exhale to the right, come back, inhale, exhale to the left side. Come back, inhale, and exhale, then relax hand. Okay. So now we will do 2-3 type of things for the side bending. So this time, open hand, inhale, and exhale. Bend to the right side. Left hand straight over the head. Open your chest. 5, look up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Take inhale and exhale onto the left side. So keep your hand together with the head. अपने हाथ को अपने सिर के पास में रखेंगे, कान के पास में, आगे की तरफ नहीं रखेंगे. Little bit back side and open chest. Good. Look up. 5. Breathe normal, continuous. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax hand. So every pose you need to come into the relax. Then start with new pose with new breathe. Okay. So now we go for more side bend. Inhale. Open hand, shoulder level, and exhale. Drop your right elbow down. Left hand up, straight over the head. Look up. If you cannot drop your elbow, you can straight hand also, or you can use block also like this. Yeah. You can give the option. 5, look up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Take inhale. Exhale to the left side. Don't feel sleepy. 5, stay here. 4, 3, breathe normal. 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Side bend is done. Now we do little back bend. So for back bend, you can do with 2 hands, normal back bend, stretch. Hands behind. Take inhale. chest out, shoulder down, कंधे नीचे, and exhale, then look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Take inhale. Put your hands front, back straight, long spine, and exhale, slow, go down. Just remember, straight your both hands. So after back bend, we need to do the forward bending. 5, hold it, hold कीजिए, Olympia, yes. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back. Take inhale. Exhale. So now what is left? Only the twisting. So for the twisting, one pose, normal pose. Open hand, shoulder level. Now put your left hand to the right knee. Take inhale. Exhale, right hand behind, near to the hip, and look back. This twisting we can use here. 5. So you just choose only 2 poses for each thing. 3. Both shoulders same line. Keep your back straight. 2. And then 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale to the opposite side. Put your hand near to the hip. Don't put like this. Put it near. Lift your back up. Straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now we go for more twisting. Inhale. Exhale, twist right side with both hands. दोनों हाथ एक ही लाइन में रहेंगे. Put your both hands in the same line. The shoulder, right shoulder will be up. This shoulder will be go down. Drop your hip. Don't do this one. Don't do like this. Drop your knee down. 5. With every exhalation, try to go more down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, good. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale, then relax. Okay. So the sitting position is done now. Little warm up, normal warm up is done in this position. Okay. So after this, open your leg. So everyone, you have to make video also. Today maybe I will send you the one link, or maybe I will open one YouTube channel, and we can make the privacy of that. So maybe you can upload your video there also. So you can practice, and after that maybe you can make 10 to 15 minutes video normal. Whatever you are teaching, how you are teaching, you can see the difference in the beginning and at the after also. Okay. So I will tell you about this thing after the class today. So here, relax ankle. Relax your knee. Okay. So now feet together, bend your right leg. Again, hold your right foot, both hands back straight. Again, everyone have option, okay? Anytime if you want to use strap, if you want to use block, you can use according to your level, okay? So back straight, inhale. Exhale, then push your leg your side. 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now put your right leg onto the left thigh. Your ankle should be on your left thigh. Drop your knee downside, not like this, down. Now, hands up, inhale, lift your shoulder, lift your back up, and then exhale, slow, slow, bend front, go down. 6, you can use block, you can use strap, drop your elbow down, go down maximum. Only if you have back pain, avoid many forward bend. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, then down. So now here, bend your leg first. Hold your foot. Just hold your foot. You can hold it with the both hands. If you cannot, you can hold it with the strap also. Like this. Okay. So straight leg up. Inhale, leg up. Exhale. Just hold it. If you don't want to hold with strap, you can hold it without strap also. 5, make balance. 4, try to push your leg a little bit up. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. So after this, what you will do, just put your leg front, hands behind, inhale up, exhale, then look up. Your both knees should be in the same line. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now, this time you can see me first. What you have to do? पहले मुझे देखिए. So in this you have to lie down with your back like this and lift your body up. Keep your back straight, straight leg, and your knee. आपके both knees should be in a same line. Like now this one. After this, push it back. Whoa, 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 whoa. Here, drop your right leg up. And after this, touch your foot onto the back. Make finger lock. Okay, everyone? Okay, you try. I will check you how you are doing. Yes. Yes, Olympia. Keep your back straight, leg straight. Try to keep your elbow closed. Dipakar, पैर ऊपर उठाइए पहले. First legs up. Legs up, legs up. One leg up, one leg bend. गीता, leg up, leg up, leg up. गीता, hold कीजिए अपनी waist को. Legs up, everyone. Good. Hold it only first. 6, 5. More back straight. Vishaka, back straight more. Legs and back should be same line. 3. Shikha, more up. Back को ऊपर खींचिए थोड़ा सा. 2, 1. One leg behind. Take your leg behind. Slow, slow, slow. One leg behind. Yes. And now you can make finger lock. आप finger lock बना सकते हैं. Make finger lock, Kokula. Legs behind. One leg behind. Yes. 6, 5. Lalita, why you come back? 4. Madhu, do it. If anyone have some problem, you please take care according to your body. 3, 2 and 1. Sit down. Inhale and exhale. Sit down. Everyone, sit down. Very good. So whenever you are doing this pose, so just take care if someone have some problem about the cervical problem or something have the pain in your neck, so please avoid this one. Okay, okay, straight your leg, relax again. Okay, so now we do from the opposite side. Bend your left leg, hold your foot. So everyone, try to remember the sequence also. Okay, whatever we did with the right side, we have to do the same with the left side also. So each time try to be creative mind. Oh, what we did before we have to do, try to remember. Okay, actually this is the only asana practice, but I am talking with you also so you can understand it more easily. Okay, so now hold your foot, left foot back straight, kamar seedhi. Take inhale, left leg up and exhale, push your leg your side. खींचिए इसको धीरे धीरे, push it up, push it up. Feel the stretching in your leg, your hamstring. 5, stay here. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale, bend your leg. Okay, drop your knee little bit down. Hands up. Take inhale, lift shoulder, lift your back. Exhale, slow, slow, go down. So here you can hold your foot, you can drop your elbow and go down maximum. 6, flex your right foot, खींच के रखिए पैर को, drop कीजिए knee को. 5, yes Dibakar, more down. 4, yes Lalita, hold it, everyone hold it, feel the stretch. 3, Manali थोड़ा सा नीचे जाइए. Yes. 2 and 1. Hands up. Take inhale. Exhale. So you have to make it habit also. Okay. Always inhale, exhale, make it habit. Okay. So now bend your leg. Hold your foot. अगर आप foot hold नहीं कर सकते, if you cannot hold the foot, you can hold ankle also. More easy. But try to hold with this. Yes. Back straight. Leg up. Inhale. Exhale, push it your side. Yes, keep your back straight. You can do with strap also. Very nice, Shikha. Good pose. 5, 4, Surinder, nice pose. 3, Bone, very good. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. So whenever you are doing any yoga pose, try to concentrate on that pose. Try to feel the pose. Not like you are doing one pose and your mind is thinking something else. Okay, just think about your body, think about your pose, think about your asana, and concentrate everything at one place only. Where you are feeling the stretch, just concentrate and take all the awareness for that parts only. Okay, so now bend your leg, hands behind, look front. Kamar seedhi, back straight, hands straight. Take inhale, exhale. So here your knee ankle should be aligned in the same line. एक ही line में रहेगा 90 degree पे. Both knee also same line and look up, drop knee. 5, lift your hip, both knees same line. Yes, Pronita, any problem? Take care. 4, Pashmina, थोड़ा बहुत कीजिए, जितना होता है. Do little bit, okay. 2 and 1. Come back. Take inhale, exhale. Okay. So after this, you can lie down like this and then lift your body up. Back straight, kamar seedhi. Try to touch your chin to the chest. अपनी चिन को नजदीक लेके आइए अपनी चेस्ट के यहाँ पे, लिटिल बिट लाइक दिस. Everyone lying down, hands front, lying down. Mahesh, leg up, back straight, कमर सीधी रखें. Yes, both knee same line. नीलिमा, both legs, knee एक ही line में रखें. Yes, good. Stay here, hold it. अपने hip hold नहीं करने. Both hands should be on your like waist, near to the back. Good. Try to keep your back straight. जितना भी आप सीधा कर सकते हैं, अपनी back को straight करने की कोशिश कीजिए. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One leg behind to the head. Yes, good. Slow, slow. Put your foot, touch it onto the floor. You can make finger lock. Touch your hand onto the floor. Yes. Don't open your hand. Try कीजिए Pinky. Good, Shika. Yes, Arti. थोड़ा सा कमर ऊपर. 5. If someone has cervical pain, neck pain, little bit back pain, avoid this thing. 4, and do according to your body, according to your capacity. 3, 2, and 1. Open finger lock. Sit down. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So now here we can do bend your both legs. You can hold your feet here, keep your back straight, feet together. Now legs up, take inhale, exhale. Try कीजिए, open more, back straight. If you are beginner, you can hold your big toe also. आप अपने big toe भी hold कर सकते हैं, like this. Slow, slow, open more and keep your back straight. Here, hold it. Make balance. 5. आपकी जो कमर है, it will be very straight. 4. Not like this. Your back should be more straight. Here. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Good. So now here, drop knee up and down. You can hold your feet and do butterfly. Okay. So now here we do one pose. Just open your legs here. Little bit advanced, not very advanced. If you try, you can do. Okay. So open your legs, touch your feet onto the floor, both hands under your leg here, near to the shoulder, not like this, more down here. Another hand, down, open to the side. Now heel up, take inhale and Olympia, very good. Exhale, slow, slow, नीचे जाइए, go down. With smiling face, go down, go down, go down, more down. Just try to hold it. पैर सीधे हिमांशु, try कीजिए. Very nice pose, good everyone. Vesna, जितना होता है उतना कीजिए. Do, if you can do here, okay. Try, only try little bit. Try this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So now open your both legs onto the side. Into the split. Open your leg. Just straight leg. Okay. So whenever you are opening your leg, you can make it open more. So you can do little bit rolling like this one, rotate. You can put your hands here and then like this. You can do here. Okay. So now, open hand to the side. Hold your right foot with right hand. Inhale. Exhale. Bend to the right. Straight your hand. If you want more, you can hold your big toe and you can drop it down. Then hand straight. 5. Keep your hand together with the head. This one. Neha. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. On to the left side. Look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Everyone, come back. Inhale. Exhale. So this is the side split. Now hands up. Inhale. Exhale to the right side. Right side में जाएंगे सभी धीरे धीरे. What you have to try for the beginner is normal like this, but for more deep you need to drop your elbow. Left hand elbow drop. Drop कीजिए, drop कीजिए, drop कीजिए. Touch your forehead to the leg. Hold it. 6. Yes, everyone. Yes, Smita, look down. Mamta, look down. Do as much you can. No problem. I always push you. You do according to your body. Kokula, Rupa, you also go right side. 4. Yes. 3, 2. Vesna, what happened? And 1. Inhale. Exhale. Oh, it's time for sleeping, huh? Come back. Inhale. Opposite side. Exhale. I can understand. This is the time of USA. So it's the time, it's very late now. And maybe you already eat also. It's full. Just do normal, okay? At least just see the technique. When you have free time, that time you can practice more. Yes, Smita, look down, look down. Concentrate on your pose. 5, 4, elbow down, elbow down. 3, straight your leg, drop your knee, flex your foot. 2 and 1. Good, come back. Inhale. Exhale, relax head. Okay. So now we have to bend front, bend forward. So for that, first you need your back straight. Don't do this one like this, okay? Try to keep your back straight first. Long spine, here. Come, long spine. Like this, long. Make a big spine. Then you can drop your elbow. Here. You can drop elbow and look front, just here. All the things touch to the floor, not lift your knee. Drop it down and flex your foot upside. Not do here, upside. If you do here, so you can open more your muscles, hamstring. Here, hold it. Yes, keep smiling face. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. And posture को hold करते रहिए. Take the pen. You can stay here also. Yes, very nice. 5. Are you feeling pain? No. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this time hands straight. Try कीजिए जितना होता है उतना कीजिए. Do as much you can. Inhale and exhale. Very slow. Go down maximum. Feel the stretch. Archana, concentrate. 5, 4, 3. Mahesh, और नीचे. 2 and 1. Good. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now bend your both legs. Just relax now. So here you can hug your knee and roll it. Yes. So now from here, you can sit down. So we just do some pose about hip opening. So here you can do something about back bend also, okay? So we will mix the pose. So first do twisting also, straight your leg straight, open your back from the side. So for that, open hand, feet together. Inhale, right side, exhale, twisting. Come back, inhale, exhale to the left side. Come back, inhale, exhale. Okay. So sometime if you are feeling some pain, if you are feeling your back is not normal, so you can give the relax with twisting. Do little bit twisting and your back pain or something, it will be removed. You will not feel tiredness. Okay. So after this, we will do the back bend pose now. So for the back bend pose, first we do the simple pose. Just bend your one leg straight. Put your right hand behind. Right leg bend, right hand behind. And the finger, it will be go back side. Here. Don't put here, try to put it near. Good. Drop your knee down. Here, make a circle. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your back. More down, more down, more down. Straight your left leg. Push your hip front. Yes, Olympia, hip front. Nilima. Up, 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 up. No, 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 no. Nilima, come back. This one. 5. Vesna up. Yes, good. 4. Right. 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Straight your right leg, opposite side. Bend your left leg. One hand behind. You see me first. Inhale. And exhale. Here. More down, more down. Just push your hip front. Yes. And right shoulder down. No, no, no. Sneha. Left hand behind. The same hand you bend, same hand will go back side. Yes. Up, up, up. 5. Very good. 4. 3. Paschimana, hip up. Hip uthaiye apne. 2. And 1. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. See, you can remember the bend. What side of leg you bend, same hand will go back side. You can remember like this. Don't be confused. Oh, cannot do what do. So the same side hand will go back side. Okay. Okay. So now this time we go for little twisting also. So we go for the Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bend your left leg, touch your foot to the hip, cross your right foot with the left knee, back straight. Yes. Okay. Don't put it like this. Put it little bit front. Keep your back straight. Left hand up. Now put your left hand to the right knee. Here. Try to hold your foot. Inhale. Open your chest out. Exhale, look back. Yes. So your back should be straight. Your both shoulders should be in the same line. Look back. If you cannot hold your foot, you can do this one, inner, here, or you can do this one also. Yes. Yahan se cross ke baad, after this. Do it from your shoulder. 5, here. 4, push it. 3, Divakar, do it. 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. You see, whenever you are doing pose, you try to remember what you have to speak also. All the pose, try to listen what I am speaking. You have to speak the same or maybe you have to speak as according to your speech. Okay, आप जैसा बोलते हैं आपको अपने हिसाब से जैसा according to you also you can speak, but you need to remember whatever you are doing you need to speak. Okay, the same, bend your leg. Now bend your right leg under your hip. Now cross your left foot with the right knee. Keep your back straight. Right hand up. Put your right hand on your left knee. Try to hold your foot. Inhale. Exhale, then look back. So whatever you are doing, just speak and then look back. Keep your back straight. Your both shoulders same line. 5. पीछे देखिए. Look back. Look back. 4. Nice. 3. 2. And 1. Come back. Take inhale. Exhale. Now bend your both legs under your hip. Here, normal pose. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So here also, if you are teaching like normal classes, I want to add some teaching methodology also between. So each pose you can do some posture. If you are doing the simple class, you can give some posture about side bend also here. So here I will give you little pose. Inhale, open hand and exhale. So the side bend pose you can give into the Padmasana, you can give in Vajrasana, any pose. Side bend you can give in many posture. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So now here we do little bit back bend, and after that we'll do little relax. So for the back bend pose, stand on your knee. The same, open your leg parallel to the hip, not like this, just no more, parallel to the hip level. Same. Hold your waist. Now keep your elbow close. Elbow close kijiye, this one. Rotate your shoulder. Inhale. Then exhale. With exhalation, bend your back. Shoulder down. Hip front. Look up. Chest up. 5, 4, 3. Hip front. 2. And 1. Come back. Take inhale. Exhale. So after each back bend pose, you need to the contra pose forward bend. So you can relax your back and you can prepare yourself for the next practice. Yes. Now, very gently, come back everyone. Yes. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So after this, come into the cat pose. So in the cat pose, you can prepare some pose first for the back bend, relax our back. So for that, take inhale, hip out, look up. Shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, then look down. Inhale, push your hip out, look up. Exhale, then look down. One more time, inhale, hip out, look up. Exhale, then look down. Now, look front. So this time, right leg up, right leg up. Inhale, you have to touch your chest onto the between your hands like this. Inhale, exhale. Keep your elbow close. If you cannot do, you can use block also here, and you can put your chest onto the block also here, like this. Six, everyone do it, very good, elbow close. 5, yes Himanshu, go down. 4, Diwakar elbow up kijiye. 2, don't drop your elbow, elbow upside. 1, now bend your right leg and hold your foot here and leg up. 5, hold it with the opposite hand. 4, yes Vesna, try as much you can. 2, leg up, leg up, leg up Vishaka, and 1, come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so you can see me again. I will do the same, repeat one time, you can see me. So how to do? Just cat pose. You have to drop your chest between here. Inhale, leg up, exhale here. Don't do this one and don't do this one also. Only the chest like this. And then bend opposite hand. Hold it. After that, push it up. Don't lose your leg. Push, more bend. Okay. So to the opposite side, left side, everyone. Left leg, cat pose. Take inhale, exhale, elbow close upside. Yes, opposite side. Diwakar, दूसरे हाथ से hold कीजिए. If your left leg up, hold with the right hand. Yes, Neha, go down. Try कीजिए. Make balance and try. Leg up, leg up. Diwakar, hand ऊपर. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good Olympia. Very nice. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. See, I see 2 or 3 of you. You are doing like this. Don't do this one. Don't do this one, okay? This one upside here. This one up. Hold it, down, hold, and then up. More up. Both hands up. So first we do with only one hand this time. Only एक हाथ से try कीजिए. After that we will do more. Okay, so everyone just sit down first. You can relax here, relax shoulder. Just relax a little bit. So every time make your body relax also. After each pose, you can relax and you can prepare for the next pose, next asana. So in the cat pose, you can go for the twisting also. Okay. So for the twisting, coming to the cat pose, you have to drop one shoulder down like this. Here down, first shoulder down, after that hand down. Shoulder here, down, head down, and one hand up. This one. You can put your hand here also, this one. Just try. Shoulder down, head down. Yes, try. Very nice, good. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, right leg up, right leg उठाइए, balancing pose, remember, okay? The same side leg. Yes, leg up, one leg up, try, more. Yes, 5, very good. This one, stop the 4, here, same side. 3, 2, 1, come back. Inhale, exhale, slow. Do according to your body, okay? Very nice. Take inhale, exhale. So the opposite side, cat pose here. Just drop your shoulder down, here. Shoulder down first, head down, and then up. Try कीजिए. Yes, 5. Yes, Pashmina, try a little bit. 4. One leg down first. 3, 2, one leg up. One leg up now. Slow make balance. Geeta, धीरे कीजिए. Aarti, slow Aarti, take care. 5, 4, make balance also. 3, 2, yes, Nilima, hand up. Yes, slow, and 1. Good, come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You see all the balancing pose, you need more concentration, okay? Concentrate about your breath, concentrate about your thought, and try to look at one place only. Whenever you are doing the balancing pose, just concentrate. Not like you concentrate only legs up or something. Concentrate, slow, step, slow, go. Any pose. Okay, everyone, now stand on your knee here. Take inhale, exhale. Now, hold your right foot with the right hand. Hold kijiye this one. Left shoulder down. Both shoulder in the same line. Take inhale, exhale, bend. Push your hip front. अपने हिप को आगे की तरफ पुश कीजिए थोड़ा सा आपके कंधे की लाइन में. वैसना हिप फ्रंट. 5, chest up. नीचे नहीं जाना, आगे की तरफ पुश कीजिए. 4, नीलिमा, one hand up. 3, 2, 1, come back. Inhale, exhale. Now, same from the opposite side. Stand on your knee. Hold your left foot. Hold your foot here. First, this shoulder. Make it down. Both shoulders same line. Inhale, shoulder down, and exhale. Bend your back. Yes. Now push your hip front. Very nice. Hold it. 6. Dibakar, hip front. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Everyone, come back. Inhale and exhale. Then sit down. Now, we will do with the both sides with the both hands. So how to do it? First, again, stand on your knee. Now, hold your feet one by one. You can hold it from here also, or you can hold it from like this also. Like rotate and hold. And you can lift your heels up also. Come back from which pose? Same pose here. See, if you want to come back, first look front and slow. You can come one side and then another side, one by one. Okay. So hold it first, one by one. Same thing. Inhale, chest up and exhale, hip front and then look up. 5. Hip front, hip front, hip front. Hip को आगे push कीजिए शिमाक्षी. 4. Hip more front. Yes. Yeah, Surinder. Shikha, very nice, very good pose. 4. Nilu, hip front thoda sa. 3. This is the camel pose, Ustrasana. 2. And 1. Good, everyone. Just come back. Take inhale. Exhale. Come into the child pose now. Go into the child pose. Everyone will relax 2 minutes. Come into the child pose. You can lie down with your back. You can lie down with your chest also. Just relax for 2-3 minutes. We will start again. Only 2 minutes. And then we'll start again. Yes, now everyone just come back. Relax hand. Relax leg. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So okay, now everyone just come into the downward facing dog. So downward facing dog, also open your feet little bit. Touch your feet onto the floor. Straight hand, straight your leg and press your shoulder down. Push your hip out and tailbone upside. Look down. You can look up at your feet. You can look up at your navel also. Now, right leg up. Inhale. Exhale, right leg front. This time, straight your both legs. दोनों पैर सीधे कीजिए. Straight your leg. Hands between. Hands behind. Here. Look down. Straight your leg. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Now here we will do the reverse triangle. So here, put your left hand to the side of your right foot here. You can see it from the front. You can use block also. आप block भी use कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. So put your hand here, opposite side. Open chest. Inhale. Exhale, one hand up. Look up. This one, open chest, maximum, and one hand up, look up. 6, yes, try everyone. Straight your leg. 5, yes, Nilima, straight leg. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. So now this time bend your right leg 90 degree. You can lift your heels up. Knee ankle align, same line. एक ही line में रहेंगे 90 degree पे. Hip same line, straight your leg. Hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Hold it. 6. Yes, straight your leg. Vandana. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Hands down. Inhale. Exhale, opposite side. Downward facing dog first. Now, left leg up, same thing we will do 3 pose. Inhale, exhale. First, leg front. Second, straight your leg. And hand side. So here also you can use block also. If you cannot touch to the floor, you can use block. आप block use कर सकते हैं अगर आप जमीन पे आपके हाथ नहीं जा रहे हैं. You can use block here like this. You can put it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, straight leg, straight leg, straight leg, 2, and 1. Inhale and exhale this time. Put your right palm side of your left foot. यहाँ पे foot के बाद, okay? And after that you can put your one hand here, open chest. Inhale, open chest, open more open, and exhale, one hand up, look up, hold it. 6, make balance, जितना होता है उतना कीजिए. 5, try दिवाकर. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, come back. Inhale, exhale. Now, heel up, bend your left leg 90 degree. Knee ankle same line, straight here, leg straight, hands up. Inhale, exhale. 6, 5, stay here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands down. Come back, inhale, exhale. Look down. Okay. So now here everyone come into the plank position first. Plank here. Try to go in chaturanga, okay? When you go in chaturanga, keep your elbow close here. Don't open onto the side. So how to do chaturanga? Come front first. Inhale, exhale, here down. Up, again. So first, come into the plank position. Inhale and exhale. Come back, downward facing dog. Last time. Plank, inhale and exhale. Hold it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale. Okay, drop your knee. See, some of you, if you cannot do the chaturanga, you can do it with drop knee. आप drop knee के साथ भी कर सकते हैं. So how to do it? Just drop your knee down first, and after that, take inhale, exhale, come here, and after that, straight leg. Okay, it's more easy. Come in this first, and then straight leg. Like this also you can try. Kokula, don't open your elbow. See. Okay. So now you can listen me. Can you listen me now? Okay. So I'm telling you, like whenever you are going to the chaturanga, you need to be keep your elbow close, not onto the side. Okay. Only here, this one. This one. Straight. Here. And your this one part, it should be like the same, like this. Here. Shoulder to this and this to wrist. When we will do the alignment class, that time we will talk more about alignment. Okay. Because this is the only the practice class, so we will not talk a lot of alignment. So in the alignment class, we will talk more and we will do the pose. Here only the practice class. So okay, everyone, in the last, only do the little bit stretching. So you just take a block, open your leg. Take care about your elbow also. Just do it here. Okay. Open your leg first, and after that, heel up. This one, heel upside, both side. Then slow, open leg like this. And after this, open maximum. Then this one. Try. You can drop elbow and also you can do like this. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Try. Do little bit slow, heels up. And after that, you can sit down, maximum. So some of you beginner also, so do according to your level, okay? Yes, Olympia, nice. Yes, you can hear. And again, you can do it from the side here. You can open your hand and also you can go. You can make finger lock also. And after that, you can come normal also, this position. Very nice. Just lying down with your chest, everyone. Lying down with your chest. Yes. Now bend your both legs. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle one by one. Hold it like this. Both sides. Now, just take inhale, chest up and exhale, legs up. Up, more up. Try to keep your feet together a little bit. Try. Hold it. 5. Yes, legs up, straight hand, हाथ सीधे रहेंगे. Good, Pashmina, look front. 5, legs up. 4, feet together. 3, 2, Goldie Shukla, हाथ सीधे. And 1, come back. Inhale, exhale. Okay, no problem. In the beginning, you just do as much you can. आप जितना कर सकते हैं आप उतना कीजिए अभी. Okay, so now everyone just lying down with your back. अपनी कमर के बल लेट जाइए सभी. Lying down with your back. Yes, little bit rolling now. So now from here, take inhale, exhale. This time, straight your left leg and bend your right knee. Put your left hand to the right knee. Right hand, right side. Take inhale, exhale. Little bit twisting here. Look opposite side. 5, 4, shoulder down. 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale. Opposite side, bend your knee. Hold your left knee with the right hand. Inhale, exhale, drop it. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Good. Come back, inhale and exhale. Very nice. So everyone now, straight your leg, open feet, hand to the side, palm facing up. Relax ankle, relax leg, relax shoulder. Keep your eyes closed. Be relaxed, comfortable. Completely close your eyes. Everyone just relax now. Relax for 5 minutes. Lose your whole body muscles. Be relaxed, be gentle. Eyes closed. Yes. Now, very slow. Relax your feet. Relax your fingers. Relax hand. Relax your leg. Keep your eyes closed, lying down to the side and coming to the sitting position. Coming to the sitting position. Eyes closed. Take inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Om chanting 3 times. Take inhale. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Now both palms together. Rub your palm, make a hit. Now place your both palm on your eyes. Relax your mind. Relax your eyes. Very gently open your eyes and look up at your palm. Both hands down. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Namaste. So thank you so much everyone. So this one is the advanced normal asana practice class. So in the evening, in the next session, in the evening we'll practice about the teaching methodology. And so here today I will teach you more sequence. So please, if you have free time today, so you also practice some the sitting sequence only, how to speak, how to greet, and how to do the warm-up, all the side bend, rotation, everything, okay? So just try to make the video of 10 or 15 minutes, only for the practice first. Today only do the practice. Don't worry about the Om chanting. Next time when we have more free time, we talk more. So we will talk more about this thing, okay? So don't worry, we have enough time. we have enough time for talk about all the topics. Okay, so don't worry for anything, just be your practice, continue. Don't think like only we have to do only in the class. After class also you have to practice, continue. Okay, so don't miss your practice and don't miss your class also. Okay, if someone is very very urgent, I will send the video, but normally I don't send video to all, to everyone. Agar aapko bahut zyada problem hai, you just tell me before and then I will think on that thing. Okay, not every time. So okay guys, see you evening. So take care of you, take care of your health. Namaste everyone. Thank you. Hari Om. Thank you.